Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Chatswood for Chatswood at night. And now departing on platform number 4, we have a per-hour service operated by Waratah Series 1 set Buffer OTAR A42. Next up is Roseville, followed by Lindfield. And Ulster Metropolis set number 11 is now departing platform number 3 for a Tallawon service. And Waratah Series 1 A34 now departing platform number 4 Gordon service. Should be stopping next at Roseville, followed by Lindfield, Kalawa and Gordon. And Waratah Series 1 A10 now departing platform number 4 Hornsby via North Shore service. Next up is Roseville. Ulster Metropolis set number, I'll announce the set in just a minute. Now departing platform number 3 for a Tallawon service. Set number 22. Sorry about the reflection, guys, there's not much I can do about it. And also Metropolis set number 4 arriving on platform number 2. This will terminate here on platform number 2, then we'll head down to the turnback and then it will arrive on platform number 3. Ulster Metropolis set number 4 arriving on to platform number 3 for a Tallawon service. Whilst that's Waratah Series 1 A50 now left departing platform number 4 Hornsby via Gordon service, but next up is Lindfield. And Ulster Metropolis set number 4 will soon depart platform number 3.
To arrive on platform 4 goes to Hornsby via Gordon.
Should be stopping next at North Wide, then followed by Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, Cherry Brook and all stations to Tallawon. Metropolis set number 18. And we have my favourite Waratah A66, just about to depart platform number 4 for Hornsby service. Next stop being is Roseville. Trivial fact about Waratah Series 1 A66. Reason why A66 is my favourite, because it is a carriage T6666, which is just about now.
Please take extra care when boarding and leaving the metro service. Thank you. The train on platform 4 goes to Hornsby via Gordon. First stop, Roseville, then Bloomfield, Carrara, Gordon, Turramurra, Waitara, and Hornsby.
Alstom Metropolis set number 5 has departed platform number 3 for a Tallawong service. And Alstom Metropolis set number 2 now departing platform number 3 for a Tallawong service. Should be stopping next at North Ryde, followed by Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, Cherrybrook, Castle Hill, Hills Showground, Norwest, Bella Vista, Kellyfield, Rouse Hill and Tallawong. Anyway, viewers, I'm going to wrap up the vlog with the Alstom Metropolis Segway. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive updates about my latest releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. And I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.